In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete the Perplexity Comet Browser. If you've decided that you no longer want to use the Perplexity Comet Browser, removing it from your Windows computer is a simple process. Whether you're switching to a different browser or just cleaning up applications you no longer need, Windows provides a built-in way to remove programs in just a few steps. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process so you can uninstall the browser quickly and easily. To begin, click the Start menu on your Windows computer. This is where you'll find shortcuts to your apps, system tools, and settings. Once the Start menu opens, select Settings to access the main Windows settings page. Inside the Settings window, look for the Apps section and open it. This area contains a complete list of the applications currently available on your computer. It's also where you can manage, modify, or remove programs that you no longer use. Once you're in the Apps section, select Installed Apps. Then click the search bar near the top of the page. Instead of scrolling through the entire list of installed applications, simply type Comet into the search field. Windows will automatically filter the results and display matching applications, making it much faster to find the browser you're looking for. When Perplexity Comet Browser appears in the search results, click the three-dot menu next to it to reveal additional options. Then select Uninstall to begin the removal process. Windows will display a confirmation prompt before making any changes to your computer. This extra confirmation helps prevent accidental removal of applications. When you're ready to continue, select Uninstall again to confirm your choice. After confirming, Windows will begin removing the Perplexity Comet Browser from your computer. Depending on your system, this process may take a few moments to complete. During this time, Windows will remove the browser and its associated program files from your device. Once the process finishes, the browser will no longer appear in your list of installed applications. If you ever decide to use the browser again in the future, you can always add it back to your computer at a later time. For now, you've successfully removed it from your system, helping keep your list of applications organized and making space available for other software you use more often. And that's all there is to deleting the Perplexity Comet Browser from your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,